everyone. So it has come to my attention that one of my kids don't even know how to make a grilled cheese sandwich right. So that's what I'm going to do today. Dad's Basic 101 on how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. First, find the bread you like. I get this, it's sprouted bread, whole wheat bread, because your body can digest sprouted bread. It's much easier. And normally I use real butter, but I don't have it, so I can't believe it's not butter. You spread it on your bread very lightly, not thick. Make sure your edges are covered, because if you put it on really thick, it's going to be clumpy, greasy. Get your pan good and hot. Pick your meats. I'm using turkey breast, cracked pepper turkey breast, and Swiss cheese. You can use your cheap American cheese all you want, Kraft, but I like the real stuff. So alright, this is how I do it. Let me see if I can get you closer. Here's the pan. Get up just a little. Hear that sizzle? That's how you know your pan's hot. I'm going to turn this so you can see it. I'm going to put cheese on this side. So easy. Come on now. Take the meat, put it on there. Try to get it to where it's not too thick, because then it won't heat up in the middle. I don't like a lot of meat on mine anyways. Just like so. Then I always put one on the top, and I usually go opposite with the holes, but that's just me. Then you put your lid on and let it cook until golden brown on the bottom, which you won't know until we flip it. It's going to take just a few minutes to do that. Okay, I think it's flipping time. Usually the handle's not out. Usually you keep your handle over here so the kids don't get into it, which I'll do that now. Even though I don't got kids here. Hang on to it and flip it. See how easy that was? Look how pretty golden brown that is. Hear that sizzle? That's a nice hot pan. My heat is set between the 8 and the 7 on a gas stove. See, it's real easy. And you don't need all that butter to make that caramelized look on the top. And it's only, once you start seeing that cheese melt, your grilled cheese is done. That's how fast it is to make a grilled cheese sandwich. Now you'll be able to make it without having tons of grease on it and make it healthy. Let's see. You'll see how, give it a few minutes, because you want that golden brown on the bottom. Don't be squishing it. Don't do all that. You don't need to. Let's look. Let's peek and look. See, it's lightly golden. So just a few more seconds, minutes, and it'll be done. Less than a minute. That's how I do it. Then I always let it cool for a second and cut it in half, and you have a beautiful grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, from my pantry to yours, big hugs, and I hope this helps. Bye.